So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to put your photos as favorite on gallery. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the gallery app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that your gallery has been connected through your Gmail. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your gallery or your photos of your gallery. Now scroll down and you will see the photos here. So you can tap on photo, then you can tap the photo, then you can see the option of star which is available on the top right corner. So tap on it, then you will see your photo has been successfully added to favorites, or even you can select the photo like this. Then you can simply tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner, then you will see the option of favorites. So tap on it. Now see, your selected item will be also considered as favorite. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.